Hi, it's Bertie Gobot. Let's talk about migrating web content via WordPress from one WordPress server to another, where we're going to migrate from services that are hosted on blackknight.com to services hosted on Pantheon.io. The simple solution involves simply exporting WordPress files, then importing them. It's not hard to do. So far, this module you've completed moving technology around with an old school movable type site using TYPEPAD services by 6 apart. You also use brute force to migrate from movable type to WordPress on Black Knight. And now you should be happy with the marks earned with this old school migration. The Pantheon migrations were 10%. It involved setting up an instance of WordPress on Pantheon, then migrating at least 5 blog posts with all their permanent link structure intact from Black Knight to Pantheon. I want you to complete the COVID-19 post on your dev site to talk about the coronavirus and technology as they work around, provide an RSS feed for the dev site, and then document all your work in the class notebook for content management system. Logging into Pantheon is pretty straightforward. You'll see in the content library login detail that'll get you into Pantheon, where you have a choice to create a new site. Now, you could have migrated an existing site. Don't do that, because I want you to jump hoops from one service provider to another. Prepare by knowing the password access that's in the content library, and understand the legacy site topology, because clients are going to want you to make sure you don't damage your search engine optimization. You have to keep the site's structure, URL structure, intact. So creating the site's pretty simple. Call it either podscope.net or opencopy.ie. There's one that's called Edgecasting. It's migrating in the European Union. It's the region you choose for the site. The WordPress CMS is what you want to deploy. There are others for Drupal as well as WordPress. When you deploy it, you watch a small bar go across. It'll tell you that you're deploying CMS for WordPress. Watch it all the way to the green bar. You get red text where you should document that. And then visit it. Visit the Pantheon site dashboard. By clicking Site Admin, you'll get in. Now, you need to document your WordPress URL. When you click that Site Admin, the URL is going to be at the top left. Use your class notebook to document it. Site Admin is the icon, the bubble you click on to get into this. Make sure you document the login, because you're working as a team. Team needs to know where you've been. Once in the WordPress, the admin tasks are pretty straightforward. Configure it just like you did before. Choose your English, set up your admin name and your password. You can ask your service to remember you. Use the admin screen to set up the type of permalinks that you're going to have. And then you're going to be ready. Providing you know the legacy permalink structure, you're ready to go in. Setting permalinks is where you go on WordPress, or for a structure that has the year, the month, and the title of the post. Common passwords are being used to get in and out. They're in the content library. Throughout the process of doing this migration, please take some screenshots of what you're doing. Use the screenshots to help you document the work you've done. Screenshots are really important. Once you're into the admin screen and you're logged in as yourself or as admin, create a post, include an image and a hyperlink to the post. Ensure that your post syndicates, that's RSS. Share the RSS feed in your class notebook. And then do like you did before. Play with a theme. Play with some plugins. Work on those themes and plugins, because they're going to be worth credit later on in the month. Document your installation in your class notebook. Moodle.lit.ie has more. You click on the link in this slide deck, you'll see exactly where to go. You may want to make a LinkedIn status update saying you're on Pantheon. You're doing migration with WordPress, because it is a learned skill. It's a valuable skill as a junior. All this, what you're listening to, has been recorded by Zoom.us, and it's part of the Clonmel Digital initiatives that are on the campus of LIT in Clonmel County, Tipperary. If you have any questions, just get a hold of me. I'm Bertie Gobot on all good social networks. Bye for now.